Hey, what's going on, guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. So we have Damien. He got back to me. I gave him some advice on sanding his motorcycle fender and what is this? It looks like front and rear fender. So he says, Tony, thanks for the previous advice regarding how to handle these decals. I decided to sand them out because I wanted to do it the right way. So he had decals on his bike. He wanted to know if he should just sand it smooth and then paint over it, or just totally sand them out. I told him the right way to do it, if this is a sentimental project or a project that you love and you just want to have it done the right way and you want to know that you did it the right way, was to basically take out the decals. Okay, so in his case, they cleared over the decals, and this is common in automotive, mostly common in motorcycle paint jobs. Okay, a lot of the dealers, when they come factory, a lot of the decals are, they basically put the base coat on, they put the decal, and they clear coat over it. Okay, so the clear coat is covering the decal, so it's in the paint. So the only way to get it out is to basically sand it out. So I told them, use about 100 grit or whatever I told them, I said 100 or 80 grit. He said the store was out of 120, so I went with 80. That's fine. It cut fast, and I ended up going to metal where the decals were. My question is, can I just 2K prime over these bare metal spots? I've already feathered it out to 320. Do you use a filler or something? My gut is saying 2K, but I don't want to screw myself. So yes, you're absolutely right. Damien, if you look in the VIP course, I have a whole section on this showing you exactly step by step how to do this. We did it on the YSR project. We did it on the other tank projects. I show you exactly how to do this. But yes, you would use a 2K filler primer. All right, a thick 2K filler primer. I would give it like 3 or 4 heavy coats. All right, do like 1 or 2 passes, let it dry for 10 minutes. Do another 2 passes, let it dry. You can do another 2 passes. Because, as you lay it on, you can lay it on pretty thick. And then block sand it out with 400 grit, and then you're ready for paint. By the way, this looks pretty good. It looks feathered out really well. Looks like you have a low spot here, so you might want to put some body filler in this section over here. I don't have my draw tool with me, but on my desktop, I got to see if I can get this thing working on my laptop here. But that's what I would do. 2K prime over all of this, right? A few times, and then block it out with 400, and then you're good for your paint. All right, so hopefully this helps. Show me the finished project when you're done with it. I can't wait to see how it looks. I know it's going to come out fantastic. Again, it's Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. If any of you guys are new and you want to learn step-by-step auto body, I've been coaching people since 2010 online, learn auto body from their own home garage and come out with professional finishes. I've been doing auto body for over 20 years now. And check out this page. Check out the VIP course. These are some of our customers and our students that went through our program getting amazing results by learning everything they need through LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. It's Tony here. If you're on YouTube watching this, click the top right of this video to download a free 85-page auto body and paint guide. And if you're on YouTube also watching, click the link down below, description, to basically check out more links, a transcription of this video, and so much more. And also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit that bell for post notifications, and I'll see you soon. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.